Hey Ceramics class, I'm here to make a digital announcement about our plan for the rest of the semester and what it's going to look like. A few of you guys were here were in Zoom last Thursday where we talked about this and talked through this. The thing that I have to do and have to be responsible for is making sure all your pieces get fired and glazed, okay? If you have not come to an in-class meeting to where you have not turned in your work, you're behind because I have not been able to fire your work, therefore glazing your work, and everything else is going to get delayed. So what I need you to do is please come this Thursday, November 5th. If you have not brought things, you need to this week. I have to get these things in the kiln. Otherwise, they will be in a fragile state. They will be called what's greenware and they can break, okay? So for the scheduling, I need you to try to get done with your 2-part series this Thursday. Those of you who've been working should be fine. Many of you have checked in, turned in pictures. Those of you who've been communicating with me are doing great. For some of you guys, you're not communicating. I don't know where you're at, so you just need to reach out. So Thursday, those 2 pieces. You will then glaze your coil piece. Those of you who turn those in, I'll be firing those. You'll get to glaze those. Then on Thursday, I'm going to introduce the last project. Okay, you can get more clay for that. We're going to be making a clay wind chime. A clay wind chime, okay? And then on the calendar, it's scheduled for November 19th to glaze. So on the 19th, that's the week before Thanksgiving, I don't plan on having anything due, quote unquote, the week of Thanksgiving, other than you working at home. So the November 19th, we're going to go up again and glaze the 2-part series. Then I'll fire your wind chime and we will acrylic paint the wind chime the last day of class that's scheduled for, I think it's December 5th. That week, the last week of class. So because the wind chimes don't have to be, it's going to be as fragile, and it doesn't need to be food safe or anything. It'll be totally fine doing the acrylic paint, so we don't have to fire them the last time, okay? And then for those of you who come the last day, we'll have a little end of the semester hoorah or whatever. So I need you to really, really, really get your work done. That's your responsibility. And then my responsibility will be to get things fired and in on time so that all this work will be done and you can take this home before Christmas. Okay? You're just going to have your clay to work on. We may have a few more discussion pieces, but nothing major that's going to come up. So work. As far as the clay supplies, I'm working as fast as I can. And I'm going to school today to get more. So if there's, if you need more or whatever, I'm going as fast as I can with that. We had that freeze. And so some of that clay in the bin is probably cold. So I haven't had a chance to get up there yet, but I will today. If you have any other questions, let me know. Today we're going to do no live class, just work. And then Thursday, I'll see you at your group time. Okay? Let me know if you need me on Blackboard Messenger or Reminds, and I will see you soon. Thanks, guys. Oh, yeah, go vote.